at 970 Loyola, my favorite neighborhood in South Salinas. Like the sturdiest, best cabinets. These are my grandmother's cabinets. This house was built in 1965, between 16 and 1700 square feet. It just has a really good open feel. Look at these shutters. They're gorgeous.
Floor is newer, so they have laminate floor here, really big refrigerator.
Yes.
Dishwasher, which is very important in my family. There's double sink.
Oh, nice.
Electric stove.
We have our formal living room. Step up and we are in the formal living room and the formal dining room just off the kitchen, which is the eat-in kitchen. I really love the layout of this house. It's 1, 2, 3. We'll start in bedroom 1. That has a nice view of the backyard. My mother-in-law would love this. This is like a huge sewing room right now. Got all these hall closets. This is right in the front and it gets nice sun. Oh, I love bathroom windows. I love workshops. This is like the best workspace. And this has an exit from outside to the side yard. It's got an automated garage. It's got a new heater and a new water heater.